In your black pouch that you should have received at your fitting appointment, you will find a small black brush. The brush has a magnet on one end and a small hook on the other. The magnet can be used to help change your batteries. When you get a new pack of batteries, simply pull one out and then peel the sticker off. Then you want to leave the battery exposed to the air for about 2 minutes to allow it to charge up. Once done, open your battery door, then take your brush and pick up the battery with the magnet. Then simply slot it in the battery compartment and slide the magnet away. Then close the battery door and go. When the battery runs out and you want to change it, simply open the battery door and use the magnet to pick the battery out of the compartment. Simple as that.